Broke my rear headlamp. It's got a new one from Amazon. So it's pretty easy to install. It's a T20. One of those clips, like those grommet clips. Not too hard to get off. I bought a replacement light came in 2 boxes. Pretty well packaged. Now let's unpack it. I'm not trying to break anything. Cool. It's the new light. Came in pretty good condition. Broke one, new one. You know, a lot of people had to deal with this problem when you were replacing the Ram 1500 taillights, 2023. So in the middle, in the center of the cap, these are called push pins. They're annoying as fuck. Most people break them. There's this little pin that goes in the center of it that gives it pressure. That's why they don't come out. Look at it. I already broke it. I know most of y'all broke it just like this. Hell yeah, I got it in. Thank you. Most people break it. My little brother came out with my electrical tools. My needle nose. Use my needle nose and this mini flathead. Dig out the center and then pull the pin out. Then use the pry tool and it comes right out. I knew a lot of y'all needed this. Holy. Comes right out. That's the little clip. I wonder why it's so short. Oh, it's not. See? That's how the inside of it looks. That's the new one. Faster. Put it like right here. So with this, you take off the safety clip. Where's the mini one? Oh, I found it. So look, right? Push it up. Shit dirty. Damn. So yeah, we got the left rear tail light off. It's the old one. This is the new one. So, I can't believe this shit was so annoying. Got my little brother out here with me. Oh man. Yeah, so got the shit back on. This was the most annoying shit ever. Oh shit. There we go.
And click. Push the right thing down.
Alright, that's good, that's one. Alright, it's time to test it.
Alright.
Turn the car on for me.
I'll do remote.
Let's see. First install, new tail light. Here, bro, the key.
Huh?
Key.
Who the fuck drives in this? This is what I'm saying, bro.
Yeah, bro. Man, it's fucking slow. Fuck this shit. Gotta do mad work to the truck. Oh, let's go. Hell yeah. Turn it on, turn it on. Ah, let's fucking go. Hell yeah. Put the turning signal on. Left. Let's go. Hell yeah. Alright, you can turn it off. Let's fucking go, dude. So you got the new light on. Just tested it. Now we gotta mount this.
Yeah, that was on.
Perfect. So now it's lined up on this side. Now it's in. See? All the holes lined up. I'm gonna put back in the cores. Make sure they go in. Yep. Because that's gonna seal it. Put the other core in. Now we know how to get them out. It's a cinch. I don't care, my install a little sloppy, don't matter. Right? Last two screws. Nice and tight. All done. Now, final part. Put that right there. Because for this part, you gotta lift this up a little bit. Gotta lift, clip, done. See? Now it's gotta wash this.
And now?
Yup.
Yeah, no
cool.
shakies. Just your damn self.
Yeah, I could.
You want to?
Right, so now I just gotta fix this part. I'm about to do this next. Subscribe for the next video. And the new bumper coming. Bumper, front bumper, and rear bumper coming. Subscribe.